Alright guys, so today's video is about the tips and tricks of Oraimo Freepods 4. I'm going to share with you things you need to know about this new Oraimo AirBuds. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. The first one I'll be sharing with you here is the Find My AirBuds feature. You can do that by using your phone to search for your AirBuds in case you misplace it. So how do you do that? First of all, you go to your Bluetooth settings. When you get to your Bluetooth settings, go to the side, the gear icon here, select that, and you are going to say find device. Okay, make sure it is connected to it before you can find it. If not, it's not going to work. And also note that this earbud has auto shut off within 2 minutes. So if you walk out of the place where you dropped it and in 2 minutes time you couldn't connect it back, it's just going to shut down and you won't be able to find it. With that being said, let me show you how you can find it. Once you come to your Bluetooth settings like this, select the find device, and you are going to see it is connected to your left and right earbuds. Now, if you want to ring the left, just select ring left, and you are going to hear a dialing sound, as you can hear now. And if you want to ring the right one, you can ring the right. You can see both of them are ringing right now. So if I want to mute the left, just select mute left and one will stop, and mute right and both will stop ringing. But if you want to use the last location feature, just come here and select last known location and follow the Find My Device app. Okay, if you don't have the Find My Device app, you need to download that and install it and continue, and this is going to help you to locate where you last dropped your earbud. Another trick I think you should know about this Oraimo Freepods 4 is how to reset it. I've done a video on that, but let me show you quickly how you can do that. First is to bring out the earbuds and clear them from the Bluetooth list of your smartphone. After you have done that, then bring them together this way. As you can see, it is blinking. Then 4 times tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to see that both of them is going to show white light and red on just one. So one will be blinking red and green, and you have reset it successfully. Then you can now connect it to your smartphone and start using it. That is how to do the reset procedure of the Oraimo Freepods 4. The next one I'm going to show you here is the rename your earbud. So how do you do that? You go to your Bluetooth settings like this, then you go to the gear icon by the side, and you are going to select rename option down here on your phone. So when you select rename, this is Babatunde's Freepods 4. You can rename it to whatever name you want these guys to be bearing. So you can name it any name you like. For example, if I want to change it to Babs, I just have to come here and erase and select rename, and you can see this is Babs Freepods 4. So that will be the name that this Freepods will be bearing. Okay, so that is how to change it. And the next one I'm going to share with you here is how to tweak your Oraimo Freepods 4 to sound like the Oraimo Freepods 3. Some of you requested for that, so all you have to do is to go and install and use the Oraimo Sound app. You don't have to install another app apart from the Oraimo Sound app. I'm going to use the visitors mode and log in. So here, then come to the EQ, that is equalizer. Select that, and here is the equalizer graph for the Oraimo Freepods 3. Okay, so this is how to do it. Please don't overdo this bass and the sub bass, because if you do it too much, it may just get muddy and everything will not, sound the way you want it. So this is the graph for it. And sometimes I notice that if I'm playing some music, it sounds more like the vocal precept. Sometimes it sounds like the vocal preset, but this is the Freepods 3 preset. So this is how the graph should look like if you want to use it, and you are going to enjoy your Oraimo Freepods 4 like your Oraimo Freepods 3. If you want to add volume settings to your Oraimo Freepods 4, you have to do that via the Oraimo Sound app. You have to come to the app this way and select earbud control. And when you select earbud control, you are going to see the left and the right earbuds there. Now you have to select this option here, none, and it's going to bring the function. So if you want it to control music, when you select to music control, you are going to see some changes here, and if you want it to be volume, you are going to see some other changes there. So if any way you want it, just do it the way you want it. Now, because we are doing the volume control mode, you have to select volume control, then just tap outside of it. You are going to see some things like tap on the left earbud to decrease it, double tap on the left earbud to increase the volume, and triple tap will do nothing. Okay, so if you want to do it to the right, depending on how you want it, you can change it to your own taste. And that is one feature that the Oraimo Freepods 4 has over the other Oraimo Freepods that we have right now. The next one I'm going to share with you is how to change the language of this Oraimo Sound app. How do you do that? Just come here and go to the settings. Go to the settings here. That is the gear icon. Now select language, and you're going to see English, French, that is Francais, and Arabic. So if I want to change it to French, I'm going to select this and select save on top here. And you can see it has changed it to French. And let's just go into it and see that everything will be changed to French, and you can use your Oraimo Sound app in French. Same applies to if you want to use Arabic, that is, you want the language to be Arabic, just come here, select Arabic and select save, and it's going to change it to Arabic. Everything is there. So if I want to change it back, I just have to go to my gear settings here, select the globe symbol and select English and save, and it will be back to normal. So if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section. And these are the tips and tricks I know about this Oraimo Freepods 4. If you have anyone that I don't know or I didn't make mention, please drop it down there in the comment section. Peace.